asked, so I am delivering. So I have a top 5 Walgreens deals. So these start the 14th, which is tomorrow, Sunday. And these deals are valid through the 20th of July. So Walgreens does not do early activation. So these deals you're going to have to take advantage of starting on Sunday morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop into it. So first deal I found is on General Mills cereals. So these are on sale for $1.99, and there is a dollar off 2 Walgreens clip to card coupon. So you would buy 2 of them for $3.98. Use that dollar off 2 coupon. You'll end up paying $2.98, but then you can submit $1 back on 2 to Saving Star. So final cost is 99 cents. And you guys, this is a great item to donate to your food pantry because cereal is a highly requested item. And during the summertime, food pantries are critically low. So it'd be great if you just went in, bought 2 cereals, and just went and donated them. So the next deal I found are on these specific pencils. So Scarlett's kindergarten list specifically asked for these pencils, and they're so expensive. And also the Pilot G2 pens. They're on sale 2 for $6. So I thought that that was a pretty good deal on this specific pencil. So if your school supply list has that specific pencil, maybe consider getting them at Walgreens versus Walmart. So the next deal is on the Elmer's glue, the 4 ounce and the 3-pack of glue sticks. So they're $3.99, not $3.99, they're 99 cents each. And Walmart had this more expensive. So I went ahead and took that out of my Walmart cart. So 99 cents, which I think is a really good deal. Next deal is on Lysol. So Lysol is on a buy one, get one free sale. So it's select cleaners, sprays, and wipes. So these are priced for $3.79. So with the buy one, get one free sale, you're looking at $1.89. I know these disinfecting wipes tend to go on back to school lists as well, but it's also a highly desired item for teachers. So if you want to go ahead and throw that into your school supply bag for your kids for back to school, I know that they would greatly appreciate it. And the next deal is on the Arizona canned teas. So they're priced 2 for $1 or 50 cents each, but you must buy 2. Now I want you guys to take note. If you were only to buy 1, it's 99 cents. So if you're just going into the store saying, hey, I'm just going to buy 1 can, stop, buy 2. Why would you buy 1 when you can get the second one for basically free? So this is a really good deal if you like Arizona canned teas. So this is my small top 5 Walgreens deal. What I've noticed at Walgreens is some weeks they will have killer smoking deals, and then they'll have like really slow weeks. But couponing is all about the scavenger hunt. There's always a deal. So now that the dogs are, barking like maniacs, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Comment below if you want to see more Walgreens here on this channel. I have a Walgreens pretty close to me, so I absolutely could start adding this in if this is something you guys want to see. So I will talk to you guys all later. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Happy Saturday, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.